Hello everyone, Jabenda here. In today's video I will deal with the M&C Matrix lock again, but this time it is the 2-star SKG. The difference between the model with 3 stars are minor, and I will discuss them in the guts section. The lock, it is not difficult, with 5 pins and 5 springless sliders. Thus don't pose much trouble to pick it. In fact, the biggest difficulty is navigating the pick between the sliders, because due of the shape of the keyway there is a really little space, and the pick for the sliders has to be thin. Mine is 0.4 millimeter, and that's how it looks like. Okay, here we have the keyway, 5 pins, 5 sliders on the left side. Here we have the key with the laser track for sliders and the beating. Okay, let's see the internals. Okay, here are the guts from the M&C Matrix with 2 stars. The sliders and sidebar look the same as in the 3-star version. Each slider has one false gate and one true gate. False gates are not effective and really only cause each slider to behave like a tapered. This is because the width of the false gate is smaller than the thickness of the sidebar, and the sidebar simply does not fit into the false gate. Look, see, here we have the true gate and here we have false gate. Sidebar doesn't fit into it. Right, the pins are also different. Each of the key pin are tapered on the bottom, and basically each one has to be corrected several times during picking. Driver pins are 3 standards, 1 spool and 1 and one some kind of barrel or something. The keyway is quite open, but when the sliders are in their chambers, there is a little space inside, and it's quite difficult to manipulate the pick between the sliders. This what this core looks like: chambers for the key pins, chambers for sliders. Here is the sidebar groove. No extra protection such as counter milling or anything like that. There is nothing unusual in the housing, just driver chambers and sidebar groove. So okay, let's pick this lock. Okay, this is an M&C Matrix with 2 stars SKG. So let's pick it. Clockwise tension. I will start from the 5 pins. Number 1 is binding, number 2 is loose, number 3 is loose, 4 is binding, and number 5 is loose. Number 2, number 5, number 2, 3, little click on 5, number 3, 4 and 5, number 2, and we have small rotation. That means we have to pick sliders. Sliders act like tapered, so I have lifted them many times. Right, and we have, and then there is a quite little space, little room on this keyway, so manipulating with the slider pick inside is quite annoying. Right, so let's get this lock. Here we have the sidebar. Pins. Okay, that was number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. Okay, and now drivers. Okay, and springs. So that was M&C Matrix with 2 stars SKG. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.